Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money in Pepperstone. So for that, first of all, you need to come here on pepperstone.com. Afterwards, simply create your account if you haven't already, or if you already have an account, you just have to log in into it. Now when you log in into your account, simply click on the option of trading accounts, and here you will be shown your live account as well as your demo account. So if you want to deposit money inside your live account, you just have to click on the option of funds, and over here you just have to select the option of deposit, enter the amount that you want to deposit, and follow further on screen instructions. Like, you just have to select your payment method and then you just have to make the payment. So this way you will be able to basically deposit the money inside your Pepperstone live account. But if you want to deposit the money inside your demo account, you just have to click on the option of deposit. Afterwards, you just have to select the amount from the given list, then click on the option of fund now. So this way you will be able to add or deposit money in Pepperstone. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.